Today, I'm diving deep into the world of paid online writing jobs. If you've ever wondered how you could start making up to $500 a day from your laptop, you'll want to stick around for this comprehensive review. Ever thought it was possible to make a full-time income from anywhere in the world just by writing? Well, many are doing exactly that. Online writing jobs are not just a myth. They are a lucrative reality for people who enjoy flexibility and writing. If you find the idea of earning from your writing intriguing, remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more videos like this. Let's get into the specifics of online writing jobs. Wide range of opportunities, from blog posts and articles to social media content and product reviews. The variety of writing tasks is vast. This means you can choose what best fits your interests and expertise. No experience needed. Many online writing platforms welcome beginners, making it an excellent starting point for new writers. Platforms often provide guidelines and sometimes training to help you improve your skills. Are these details making you curious about online writing jobs? Give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying the video and comment below with any questions or experiences you have. If you're ready to explore this flexible work-from-home opportunity, check out the link in the description or the pinned comment below for a free Get Paid to Write From Home guide. This guide could be your first step towards making up to $500 a day with simple writing tasks. Don't wait any longer. Start your journey into paid online writing jobs today. And keep an eye out for our next video where we'll break down more about making money online, providing you with practical tips and real success stories. Subscribe so you don't miss out.